Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Bullish Ariva, ARV, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.000715 and $0.001557 by 2030. Market experts accept ARV could reach $0.000715 by 2025. Bearish Ariva market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.000127. Ariva, ARV Introduction. The mechanization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly throughout the years as the industrialization of in a real sense each part of human existence became ordinary like food administration, transportation, business, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general advancement of significant pieces of the market and the non-stop coordination of the customary monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into a basic component in empowering the development of the area in man-made reasoning, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva ARV coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for vacationers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like lodgings or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost expectations from 2022 to 2030, with a guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, MISTs, support levels, impartial extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem in the following 2 or 3 months, and does it make a productive speculation? For what reason would it be a good idea for you to purchase Ariva, in spite of the cost changes in the cryptographic money showcase? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, as of now, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing all around, contrasted with the other advanced monetary forms. So what are the Ariva ARV cost expectations? What is Ariva ARV? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain network by Ariva company that objectives the travel industry and neighborliness area while pursuing the worldwide reception of the advanced government capital. ARV has become one well-known token from the principal quarter of 2022 in spite of the variances in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations and worldwide the travel industry specialist co-ops duplicated on clients' past encounters and criticism. A voyager can make appointments with a digital currency while getting compensated for dropping criticism and sharing savvy content. Ariva ARV is helping the concentrated joining of digital currencies into the day-to-day existence of a run-of-the-mill individual, while offering the purchasers a magnificent encounter and quick installment network with their cryptographic money. As indicated by the ARV network designer, the traveler business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash and the misfortunes caused due to trade rates. Ariva will dispose of these difficulties and make voyaging simple and gainful. The organization's fundamental point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the significant level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide friendliness economy, which likewise incorporates the steady trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva ARV Fundamental Analysis. Starting from the making of the social cash Ariva coin, the online entertainment presence has been great in view of its creative assistance and ideas, with a dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including Bank, SushiSwap, Stack, Whitebit, 1inch Organization, XT.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodubsk, and Probit Global. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and combination of blockchain innovation into the business and have since cooperated with huge organizations in the area. Ariva has cooperated with the Global Tourism Forum and World Tourism Forum Organization, WTFI, two foundations that were made to universally support the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the main quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that carried out the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Tokenomics. Ariva's white paper isn't very much point by point about the deflationary strategies and consuming methods that are applied to the ARV coin. Ariva has a greatest all-out supply of 93.64 billion tokens, which was recently fixed at 100 billion tokens. After the authorities send-off of the coin, around 63% was offered to people in general, while the leftover sum was allotted for stockpiling due to trade liquidity and improvement endeavors on the organization. Be that as it may, ARV consumes a piece of their symbolic dispersion of 6.63 billion toward the finish of each and every year, prompting an underlying cost ascent before a half-cost drop. The resource is exceptionally unpredictable, yet has areas of strength for an outline. Ariva, ARV, Price Prediction 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, ARV. The ARV cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.000238. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000222 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000191. Ariva, ARV, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARV will before long outperform $0.000397. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARV's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000318 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.00035. Ariva, ARV, Price Prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.000556 and ARV might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met.